Hello everybody and welcome to Little Tree English, an English learning channel for young learners or new beginners. Our topics are about learning new words, sounds, sentence structures, reading skills and using English in a one-to-one role play. Please support our learning journey together by hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel. Let's begin. Our lesson today is Phonics 14, using long vowels. We're looking at I'd, Ike, I'm, and ein sounds. I'd, hide, hide. I'd, ride, ride. Hide, ride. Ike, bike, bike. Ike, like, like. Bike, like. I'm, dime, dime. I'm, time, time. Dime, time. Ein, nine, nine. Ein, pine, pine. Nine, pine. Look, read, and choose the words. You can ride, time, nine, hide, like, pine, under the desk. You can hide under the desk. What ride, time, nine, hide, like, pine do you get up? What time do you get up? The dog had ride, time, nine, hide, like, pine, puppies. The dog had 9 puppies. There is a ride, time, nine, hide, like, pine tree on the hill. There is a pine tree on the hill. I ride, time, nine, hide, like, pine, to eat pizza. I like to eat pizza. The girl can ride, time, 9, hide, like, pine, a bike. The girl can ride a bike. Let's review the phonics sounds. I'd, hide. I'd, ride. Ike, bike. Ike, like. I'm, dime. I'm, time. Ein, 9. Ein, pine. We're at the end of our phonics lesson. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to stay up to date on new content. Have a great day and see you soon. Bye bye.